Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to make shrimp in a Thai curry sauce. It's a fantastic dish which I think you're going to love. If curry sauce is outside your comfort zone, that's okay. It was for me too, but this is the recipe to try. All these ingredients are easy to find in the supermarket, and willing to bet that you probably have some of them already. Here they are.
Half a pound of shrimp, 14-ounce can of coconut milk, cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of Thai fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 shallot, and 1 scallion.
I know, it's a lot of ingredients, but believe me, it'll be worth it. Come on, let's get started.
Add a little bit of oil to a medium-high skillet. And now the dry ingredients, curry, cumin, and turmeric. Give it a stir. And now add the coconut milk, the chicken stock, the Thai fish sauce, and then the sugar and cornstarch. We're almost there. Let's give it a stir. Let's blend all those flavors really nice, and then we're going to bring it down to a simmer. Oops, almost forgot the garlic. Let's get it in there. Next, we're going to saute the shallots. Now we add the shrimp to the curry sauce. Give it a stir so they cook all the way through. This will take about 5 minutes. Well, don't those look fantastic? I can't wait to eat this. But we have one more step. Add the lime juice. You can make noodles to go with this, but I made some jasmine rice. Okay, let's get some of this shrimp and the curry sauce on top of that rice. Now let's add the crispy shallots, the scallions, and let's go.
Let's have a taste. That is delicious. It's such a great combination of flavors. Remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.